everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And today I want to talk to you about 3 common mistakes that property owners are making when buying investment property. And the first one being spending money on home inspections. Now you probably think I'm crazy. Why would you ever say such a thing? I need a home inspection. Well, the truth is you don't, and you can waive that right in your purchase and sales agreement. But more to the point, inspections are a true luxury. And what they do is they go to the property and they look at your roof, your siding, your chimney, your water heaters, your appliances, your heating systems, etc. It's a very topical overlook of what's going on, and you yourself, with little to no education at all, can go there, make your own list, take your own pictures, and see, oh yeah, I have a bad roof, or oh yeah, my chimney's leaning to the left. And you can plan yourself for what expenses you think are coming down the road, and not to mention you can also ask your buyer agent. That's what they're there for, is to give you advice. So it's my opinion, it's Nexus's opinion. Save that couple $1,000s on the home inspection and rather buy new appliances for your future tenants. The second thing that people spend a lot of money on unnecessarily is their insurance, okay? So a lot of folks are insuring the property for the full replacement cost, okay? The replacement cost is the total amount that you would have to spend in the event that property burned to the ground. Now, if you're buying a 4-family for $200,000, the replacement cost might be $500,000 or $600,000. Now, do you really want to spend money monthly in the event to rebuild a property that probably, statistically, will never ever burn down? No, right? So don't do it. What you can do instead is insure the property for the purchase price, or even lesser, the loan amount. So if you bought a property for $200,000 and you have a $150,000 note, you could insure the property for $150,000. In the event that it burns down, you get that money from the insurance company, you pay off your lender, and then you sell the plot of land and buy your next property. Why would you want to spend double or triple the amount of insurance money per year for the entire life of your relationship with that property? It just doesn't make sense. Once again, take that extra money and buy some appliances for your tenants. Now, the third thing that property investors are mistakenly looking at is the tenants that exist when they buy the property. Now, this does not matter at all, okay? People ask, oh, are they good tenants? How long have they been there? Do they pay on time? It doesn't matter. And the hard truth is, as a property investor, everybody is going to leave, okay? At one point in time, you're going to lose a tenant in each and every one of your apartments, okay? So you need to come across that reality that it doesn't matter who's there, it's where's the location and what's the condition. So once again, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Your property managed.